Did I hear someone say they want to become a truck driver? Well, to the average person, yes. What do you see here? A truck stop. Indeed so. You feel that you just go inside and use the restroom, pay for your fuel, go out to the fuel aisle and you fuel up and be on your way. No. As soon as you step into that truck stop, it's all type of aroma, food aroma, all type of flustering smells in the air. And guess what? It's a trap. Do not fall into the trap. Because guess what? Your back will begin to widen and your behind will fall out of the chair. Yes, indeed so. I'm pretty sure a lot of you all have seen videos, or maybe you have stopped here at the truck stops, whatever truck stop, and you have seen, so happen to have seen a truck driver get out of the truck and you just see that big buffalo butt. You see what I'm saying? Clappity clap, clap, clap. You don't want to end up like that. Please, 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 please be sure to meal prep. The food in the truck stops is no good. It's poison. It's all type of processed food. You do not want to fool with that food in the truck stop. I'm just being honest. And they have a way of doing things, and it's expensive at that. You see what I'm saying? Truck stop is expensive. It's a whole scam, scheme and scam, and processed foods that's not good for you. And people get sucked into the trap. Will it be you? Will it be you getting sucked into the trap, the food trap, processed food, going down your throat, your esophagus, into your belly, and just expand your back, your gut, and your behind. Oh man, that is not fine at all.